Hi, this is L. Mageshwari, 3rd BCA, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kashinadar College of Arts and Science. We are going to see about multiplexing. Multiplexing is the set of techniques that allows the simultaneous transmission of multiple signals across a single data link. The device on the single streams to multiplexer MUX, which combines them into a single stream many to one. At the receiving end, that stream is fed into demultiplexer DEMUX, which separate the stream back into its components transmission one to many. Multiplexing analog and digital. Analog FDM, WDM, digital TDM. Types of multiplexing. Signals are multiplexed using three basic techniques: frequency division multiplexing, time division multiplexing, wave division multiplexing. Frequency division multiplexing. When the carries is frequency, FDM is used. FDM is an analog multiplexing technique that combines signals. FDM divides the spectrum or carrier bandwidth in logical channels and allocate one user to each channel. Each user can use the channel frequency independently and has exclusive access of it. In FDM, multiplexers modulate and combine signals, while demultiplexer decompose and demodulate. All channels are divided in such a way that they do not overlap with each other. Channels are separated by Godbands. Godbands is a frequency which is not used by either channel. Time division multiplexing. TDM is a digital process that can be applied when the data rate capacity of the transmission medium is greater than the data rate required by the sending and receiving devices. TDM is a digital multiplexing technique to combine data. In DTM, digital signals from n devices are interleaved with one another, forming a frame of data, bits, bytes, or any other data unit. DDM works as a synchronized mode. Both the ends, example, multiplexer and demultiplexer, are timely synchronized and both switch to next channel simultaneously. DDM can classify as either synchronized or asynchronized. Synchronized TDM. The term synchronized means that the multiplexer exactly the same time solid to each device at all times, whether or not a device has anything to transmit. In synchronized DDM, each frame contains at least a lot dedicated to each device. The order in which each device send it data to the frame is unvarying. If a device has no data to send, its time solid is sent empty. In synchronized TDM, a bit may be added to the beginning of each frame for a synchronization. Asynchronized DTM. The term asynchronized means something different in multiplexing than it means in other areas of data communications. Here it means a flexible or not fixed. In asynchronized DTM, the time solid order of a frame depends on which device has data to send at that time. Asynchronous TTM adds device addresses to each time solid. Wave division multiplexing. WDM is conceptually the same as FDM. Expect that multiplexing and demultiplexing involve a light signals transmitter through fiber optic channels. WDM is on analog multiplexing techniques that combines optical signals. Light has a different wavelength, colors. In fiber optic model, multiple optic carriers signals are multiplexed into a optical fiber by user different wavelength. This is an analog multiplexing techniques and is done conceptually in the same manner as FDM but uses light as signals. Further, one on each wavelength time division multiplexing can be incorporated to accommodate more data signals. Multiplexing applications. The telephone system. Multiplexing is an essential tool of the telephone industry. The North American telephone system includes many common carriers that offer local and long distance service to subscribers. Thank you.